Hey, what's happening? I got another claim example for you. Recrewing a train beyond the 25 miles. Con code 41. This is Adam West of Smart Transportation Division, and let's get into it. Going to start off that Lafayette terminal limits is different from the yard limits by the timetable, but it's by agreement. Yard jobs can only recrew a train for 25 miles. Anything beyond that is a penalty they pay. Also note that we were not called for short turnaround service. So we're going to go to the CSX Crew Life, go to the Payroll tab, Payroll Claims. We're going to put the job ID in here. The claim date, kind of service 5 for yard. K6 for Lafayette, LAF for the yard code for Lafayette. Hit search, bar complete. There's already a claim put in here from the previous video that I made, starting brackets. And so we're going to go to the right of it and just continue. Top line is the engineer, bottom line is the foreman. Over here, and we're going to use con code 41 to make an 8-hour penalty. Enter the text in to support it. All right, con code 41 for west. Yard limit milepost. If switching at an industry, name the industry. We did not switch an industry, but we recruited a train. And the date and time left the switching limits. We have EC1 to give us this information. Actually, on duty 1225. Time we actually returned. We'll get a TMCI of this. I blasted through that really quickly. But what I did is I logged in, got to this screen here. I'm going to use pin number 27. This screen for 6. Something to get to the next function. So get this command blank line here, TMCI. Train Y 151 20. Top line's ours, R for review. And typically I print this off and bring it home, but I didn't print it off this time. Returning of the switching limit be 123, so let's use this Northern Switzer 1518. Let's just use a Salem 1632. All right. After we answered all the questions here, now it's time to describe the situation in our claim text for code 41. And we got please allow penalty day pay for the carrier's violation of the respective agreements, SSA Article 48 and the B&O Rule 108. Crew was instructed to recrew train at Whitesville, post showing, and bring it to Lafayette. There's the EC1 82254 from Q154 to NAS Elmore, okayed and effective at 1411 by dispatcher BC. According to the TMCI, crew returned to the limits of Salem 1632. Any further evidence would go in here. And if I had a deadhead, I could have put the deadhead number in here. Any type of evidence that would help you support your case. And I just added on a little bit more. The south limit for a yard job to recruit train is Q148.7, which matches the previous graph. And that's about it as far as evidence that I have for it. So I'm going to hit save. And then this time, since I already have a previous claim in here, it's not going to say this correct amount. Press submit several times, but press submit to continue here. Well, I guess it is. 8 hours for one, hit submit again, 8 hours again, hit submit again. The claim has been successfully submitted. All right. And that's recruiting a train beyond the 25 miles on code 41. Hit the like button if you found this to be helpful. This is Adam West of Smart Transportation Division, and have a good night.